In this video, I will show you how to change Google default browser from Google to Microsoft Edge. So let me show you step by step. After you open up your Windows, go to this search. So now search for default apps. So here is default apps. Open it. After you open the default apps like this, now click on the search and search for Edge. So now here is Microsoft Edge. Now open the Microsoft Edge. After you open the Microsoft Edge, now click on this option, set default. So after now you set it default, so from there now the Microsoft Edge will be your default browser. As you can see now it has updated this option. And that's it guys on how to change Google default browser to Microsoft Edge. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.